So hello guys, I hope you are all doing very well. Okay, and so I have some more important information for you all. So actually today, from today, you can fill the GATE 2022 form. So let's see. Okay, so this is the official site of a GATE 2022 official site. Okay, so we have to click on this. Okay, and then this main homepage will be open. Okay, so you all know that the IIT Kharagpur is conducting GATE 2022 this year. Okay, for 2022, right? And so first of all, see the some important dates here. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So from today, it means 2nd September. This is the opening date of an online application portal. Okay, so it means that you can fill form from today. Okay, and then 24th September is the closing date of the online application portal. It means 24th September is the last date to fill the application form without any late fine fees. Okay, but somehow if any student is missed, but somehow if any student has not filled the form, then you have at least up to 1 October is the last date to fill the form by giving some extra money. Okay, fine. And then you have a 26th October. This is the 22 one. From this date, from 26th October to 1st November, you can edit your application form. Okay, fine. And then after that, the 12th November, it means the last date is a 12th November to change your paper or to change your category like a OBC, General, SC, ST. Okay, and your exam center. So if you want to change your paper, category, exam center, then you have to give some extra money. Okay, up to 12 November. So this is the last date. 12 November is the last date to change your paper, category, exam center with additional fee. Okay, so now yeah, you can see here apply online. Okay, and here one more information is written here: a candidate appearing in one or two papers should fill only one application form. It means suppose a student want to fill the two papers. Okay, then you have to fill only one application form. You don't need to individually register for both the courses, for both the papers. Okay, so you have to take care of it. And then in case of a multiple application, only one will be accepted and remaining applications will be rejected without any refund for the paid fee. Okay. Yeah, it means somehow if any student have applied multiple application for different papers, then in that case only one application will be accepted and the remaining application will be cancelled without any refund. आपको refund नहीं मिलेगा उस केस में. Okay, fine. So you have to take care of it. You have to pay attention here, right? And then you have to click online. If you want to give a GATE 2022, then you have to fill the application form and then click here apply online. Okay, so click on this, and I think the site is slow somewhere. Okay, because mostly people are trying today to fill the application form, right? Okay, yeah, so this is the interface after you click on the click apply online. So this is the important instruction here. The applicant is requested to update the Aadhaar card or any other permissible photo identity proof if it is not recent to be used for the applying and appearing for the GATE 2022. It means that if your Aadhaar card or any other photo identity proof is not recent, then you have to update. Okay, then you have to do the update, right? And then see here And the second most important instruction is scan and upload the color photocopy of photo identity proof in the application for GATE 2022. It means you have to upload the color photocopy. Okay, color photocopy is the most important thing here, because they have mentioned especially here color photocopy. It means you don't have to upload the black and white of your photo identity proof like Aadhaar card or something, driving license or something, PAN card. Okay, you have to put in the color format, in the color copy. Okay, so this is the most two important instruction you have to read before applying this form. And then let's see here what is something. Yeah, so here we have login if already registered. Okay, so if you have already login, if you have already registered, then you can just simply give your enrollment ID and password, and somewhere you have to do some calculations here. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, then you have to submit. But if you are new here, but you are coming here on the first time, like you want to apply the GATE for 2022, then you have to click here new user register here. Okay, this one. So click on this. So you will get something like interface here. So you have to click on the first name here. So my first name is Sudhanshu. So you can fill. I am not filling the whole form. Okay, okay, fine. And here is a middle name. So I have not any middle name. So yeah, I have surname. So you can click here Kumar. Okay, so this is the name of a candidate here, Sudhanshu Kumar, and you can simply here confirm here. And then after that you can fill all the basic information like your academic qualification, all that things. Okay, I am not going in that. Okay, so you can do that. That's a very easy. But still, if you are finding difficulty, then I will make some another video like how to apply online for the GATE 2022. Yeah, so let's go to home. Okay, GATE 2022. Yeah, so basically so here is a question paper pattern. You can see here, this is the question paper pattern here. Computer based traits, it means this is the online exam based, 3-year duration here. Okay, number of a subject 29 subjects is conducted in the GATE 2022. So one is the general aptitude section will be there, and one your paper, okay, that you have selected. And this is, so you can read about read all that. Okay, so I will give all the links in the description box. Okay, so you can go through that. And now see, if you want to download the old question paper, suppose, okay, so click on here and then select the year. Suppose I want to download the 2021 paper, so click on this and then just, okay, yeah, I think this link is not working now. Okay, so you can check after some time. Okay, and now see here GATE 2000. Yeah, you can see here when I click on the 2015, then the server error is appearing here. Okay, so don't worry about that, you can check after some time. So now see the GATE 2022 papers here. So it means there are these papers are conducting this year, like all the papers name here you can see. Suppose you want to see the syllabus of any paper, so just click on the paper, like I want to see the chemistry, so click on the chemistry. Okay, so this is okay, it has failed, so I am clicking again here. Let's see. Yeah, I think, yeah, you know all that from today it's starting, so that's why it's some server issue. So again it's a failed network error. Okay, so I am trying again to download the syllabus of my chemistry paper, so just wait. Yeah, it's downloading has started, but I don't know it will be completed or not. Okay, so so I have told you that you have to see in this way, like you have to download some syllabus of each paper, then you have to click on the paper. Okay, you can try after some time, because now the server is something like slow. Okay, so don't worry about that. Yeah, and from here you can see. Okay, so again this is a server error. Okay, fine. Yeah, so now let's go to home. uh, so you can see here new papers that is added in the GATE 2022. You can see here. Okay, so this is the new two papers, like a geometric engineering and naval architecture and marine engineering are the are the two new papers are added in this GATE 2022. Okay, so you can check that. And here is also model question paper is also given here, so we can go through. Okay, and now two paper combination. Yeah, you can also give two paper combination. Now let's talk about the application fee. So what is the application fee? Okay, I don't know why this site is slow. Yeah, I think many people are trying to open the GATE 2022 site because this is the first day. Okay, okay, so don't worry about that. So let's go to home again. Go to home. Yeah, if you want to fill the form of a JAM 2022, so you can click here, and you can also fill from this website. So this is the JAM 22 form. Okay, so you can check all the details here. Okay, fine. Yeah, so now let's see. Again I'm checking your application fee. I don't know why this is not opening. I have a Wi-Fi connection, so it should not be a problem. Okay, so it's basically a server issue. Okay, so don't worry about that. You will you can try after some time. Okay, so that's all about the information here today. So this is a very important information. GATE 2022 the form application is going on, so you can fill, but I will suggest you that don't fill the application form today. So you can fill the application form from tomorrow, or you can fill after some days. Okay, because there is some server issues. Okay, the site is not working properly. You can see here also, right? So that's all about this this session. Okay, so you can fill. So let me tell you again the last date of the application form, because this is very important here. So you can see here closing date of the online application portal is 24 September. Okay, so you can fill 24 up to 24 September you can fill this form. But if somehow you don't fill, then you have to give some extra fee up to 1st October. Okay, so 1st October is the last date to fill the form with late fine. You have to give some extra money. Okay, so that's all about this this GATE 2022. I will give the link in the description box. You can check there. Okay, so thank you so much for this session. Okay, so see you again in the next next session. Okay, thank you.